Round one.
That's right.
That's from around the windshield.
Monkeys are basically what happens when curiosity meets zero fear.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, you're beautiful. Did you see
What do you want? I got bikinis on, thank God. Oh no! Oh! He's on my side! Oh.
This monkey really made sure nobody forgets this moment.
That's sick. Yo, that is gone.
Can I put it on?
Can I put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Nah! Nah!
No. No! Stop it.
Somehow that looked completely natural.
There's one more in front. Oh, is he? Yeah.
Hello. Oi, oi, get off my... Oh,
Fallon? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was sneaky. That was awesome.
Round two.
This monkey is about to learn a hard lesson about trust.
Beep. Beep. I love you. I love you.
Drop it! No!
Another fun fact about monkeys, they'll absolutely rob you if given the chance. Monkeys are not always as friendly as they look.
Stop it.
Oh, look at this!
Oh, she's filming. Took the full thing off the car.
Trusting a monkey that much is a bold move.
What? Bro. We just woke up and blood is in the yard.
Bro just came in.
Bake off.
Oh my
He's
God.
washing his hands with the soap. He's washing his hands with the soap. He's using the soap.
Oh my god, look at what it did! Dorothy It's Burt Reynolds.
It's Burt Reynolds. Oh,
Yeah.
Denise Reynolds.
Oh my God, you're gonna roll the whole way down? He's like,
Round 3.
Good thing monkeys still haven't learned how to steal cars. We all act a little different around mirrors.
But I can't do anything.
When it comes to basketball, though, monkeys seem to be doing just fine.
Wow, 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 wow. Amazing. Bye-bye. Oh. Yeah.
What did I tell you?
Somebody didn't get his banana this morning.
Look at, yo, he's staring us in the, yo, he's staring at me. Oh my God.
so cute.
It looks like a human eye.
At this rate, monkeys are gonna start texting soon. That monkey is genuinely committed to the street art lifestyle. I think it's more than curiosity. They genuinely seem interested in understanding how humans do things.
I'm gonna get your ass.